Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to do a indoor plant tour, and I've been wanting to do this for a while now, so I'm super excited for this video. And if you like this video and subscribe, I will do another plant tour except for outdoor plants and my vegetable garden, and I'll probably do that later in June sometime. Definitely be ready for that. But without further ado, I am going to go show you my indoor plants. So these are the plants right now we have in the piano room. But sometimes we like move them around and stuff to the outside or just a different room. But so right now, the 3 snake plants are in here. They're right here and here. And then we have a beautiful Boston fern right here. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. First plant in the kitchen, I am not sure what this is called, and also feel free if you do know what any of these are called. Feel free to just put it in the comments below, because I do not know what this is called, but it's a pretty viney plant, and yeah, it's super pretty. Next, we just have our amaryllis. I'm just waiting for it to get a little warmer to plant these outside, so it is just chilling in the kitchen right now. Then we have our beautiful air plants. If you don't know what air plants are, they get most of their nutrients from the air. They don't need any soil, and they only need to soak in water for about 15 minutes a week. So as you can see, they are in soil. And here is another plant. I'm not sure what this is called either, but I think it's super pretty. It's kind of a viney plant. And then in a different place in the kitchen, we have our carrots, growing some carrot greens, some red leaf lettuce. It's not doing that well, but it has started to grow a little bit right here. Probably need to add some water to that. And then we have some celery greens growing right here. And then in our eating area, which is kind of the same area as the kitchen, we have some flowers right now. We don't always have flowers here, but sometimes we'll pick some and put them on the table. All of these plants, they're mostly succulents, are usually inside, but we put them outside like yesterday to get some rain, but they are usually inside. So these are jade plants. This is a Christmas cactus. So is this. This is a pothos. There's only one leaf growing, but hopefully it grows bigger. We will see if it makes it. And I actually have a bigger one upstairs, which I will be showing you in a little bit. More Christmas cactus. This is a succulent I do not know the name of. Another one of those. Another jade plant. I think this is a type of jade plant. And then I also think this is a type of jade plant, maybe. And then I have my sweet potato plant, which is usually in my room. This is my beautiful aloe vera plant. This is my Wandering Jew, which is really not doing that well at all. I just think they're really hard to take care of, but hopefully it makes it. This is a different type of snake plant. And then ornamental lemon tree. And you can see that there is an ornamental lemon growing right here. Okay, so now I am in a bathroom. So we have some sort of a bamboo plant. I'm not sure what type it is. I just know it's a bamboo plant. This is a mandevilla. As you can see, there are some dead leaves, but I actually think it's doing pretty well because it is growing pretty tall. And I think we're eventually gonna put this one outside when it gets hotter. And then I think this is the last one. Like I was saying before, I have a bigger pothos. So here it is. It's so pretty. I love these plants so much. Okay, I actually counted and I have exactly 30 indoor plants, just in case you were wondering. And then also I wanted to tell you guys about this plant ID app. It's only like $3. Sometimes if the plant is too small, it doesn't identify it, but it actually really does work. And I know there's some other ones for free. I haven't really tried those, but yeah, if you're interested in something like that, it's called PlantSnap. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'm going to do an outdoor plant tour sometime in June, so definitely subscribe for that if you aren't already. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!